Good morning, Lods. Today is Friday. So, kakagawa ko pa lang ng kape. So, ngayon ay mag-i-snow daw. So, start this afternoon. Chinek ko mga around 4 o'clock. Tapos ngayon is 5 o'clock. So, we'll see kung kailan mag-start. Before that, i-check muna natin yung labas kung gaano kalamig. I-check natin before mag-snow. Are you ready to go outside? Oh, come on, let's go. Come on. Ilabas ko muna si Mango bago mag-snow. So, at saka kukunin ko rin yung trash can sa, doon sa daan kasi pinick up yung trash namin kagabi. This morning. Tingnan natin kung kakayanin ni Mango yung lamig sa labas. Ayan, excited lumabas. So, let's go. Slow down. Come on, let's get the trash. Kunin namin yung trash can. You're right here. Oh my God, slow down. Malamig. Mga atangan 30 degrees right now. Sabi nila expected 3 to 4 inches yung snow. Tomorrow is our last day na sa day off namin. So back to work na kami on Sunday. Pero we'll see kung hindi mag-ice. Ay, come here now. Excited naman itong isa. Hindi nilamig. Update tayo sa garden ko. Ito yung saging. Mukhang patay, no? Pero mukha lang yan. Hindi yan patay, Lods. Mag-ano yan, babalik yan in few months. Mango? Hala, tingnan niyo. Nag-ice. May ice. Mango, are you cold now? Come on, let's go back inside. Check muna natin yung garden. Come here, right here. Bago mag-snow. Say hello to chicken before the snow. Hello, chickens. Oh my God. Walang tubig. The chicken needs water, baby. Come on. Let's get some water. Come on. Hey. Hurry up. Oh my God. Hurry up. It's cold. Na tubig. Kailangan ng tubig yung manok. Pupulupot sa paa niya yung yung leash kasi ang bilis kasing tumakbo. Come on. Oh, see? Oh. Come on, hurry up. Let's go back inside. Oh no, it's cold. Oh Lord. Oh. Papainit ako ngayon ng tubig kasi ibigay ko sa manok. Kawawa naman, hindi ko alam kung kailan sila walang ininom. Kaluoy po sa mga manok. Ko para matunaw yung ice. Nag-i-snow na. Kunti pa lang kaka-start. Kala ko 4 o'clock. My God, it's snowing. Snowing now, look. Yan. It's snowing now. Ang aga, pa lang, 12 o'clock. Wow. You like the snow? Nag-i-snow na? Magtapon muna tayo ng basura bago dumami yung snow. Are you tired? Alright, get some sleep. I love you. Lods, nag-snow na. Naka-start pa lang. Yan na yung paligid. Hanggang mamayang gabi pa daw to ang mag-snow. So, habang naghihintay tayo ng kailangan na tayong magluto for supper kasi kailangan